Repetitive, we are going to circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is a breaker to break the circuit variables means it is also used for production purpose. Whenever they are sense semi-dangerous or current or voltage, earth leakage, etc. Also, they break the circuit immediately. They can be operated remotely from the control room. The insulation used in the circuit breaker should be very high in the terms of avoid breakdown of the medium. This is why the circuit breaker used in the Subhas substation of gas insulated insulated SF6 gas. They provide better reliability than oil insulation insulated circuit breakers. The best insulation property can be provided by the vacuum circuit breakers, but they are very expensive and also difficult to maintain. This is the single diagram of transmission substation. Specification of the type transformer, 130 kV transformer, type auto transformer, type cooling, oil natural, load natural. This is the rated voltage, HV, 220 kV, IV, 130 kV, rated current, HV side, 2.2, lower side, 72.9 inches. Vector group to YM8031. Maximum temperature is 50 oil is 50 centigrades. Frequency 50 Hz, phase 3 phase. Total mass 90,000 phases. The weight of the 160 MVA transformer. This is the specification of the power transformer. 31.8 transformer type double unit. Type cooling AM. Rated voltage 1.2 kV, HV side, lower side 30 kV. And HV side, high voltage side 89.7 amperes. Low voltage side 358.6 amps. Vector to Y and D1. Star delta. Maximum temperature is the oil is 50 centigrade. Frequency 50 Hz. Phase 3 phase. Total mass 61,500 phases. Next one is the vacuum circuit breaker. Vacuum circuit breaker is such kind of circuit breaker where the hot pinching moving. The technology is suitable for mainly medium voltage propagation. For higher voltage vacuum technology has been developed but not commercially viable. Operation of the opening and closing of the current loading conductors and associated arc interruption take place vacuum chamber in the brake, which is called the vacuum interrupter. A vacuum interrupter consists of steel or chamber in the center symmetrically arranged ceramic isolators. The vacuum pressure inside the vacuum interrupters is normally maintained at 10 to 6 bars. The material used current carrying contacts play an important role in the performance of the vacuum circuit breaker. Is mostly ideal material like PVC contacts. This is the circuit breaker. Next one is the protective release. To protect the the protector is a abnormal condition electrical circuit that close its contacts. These contacts transpose the complete the circuit breaker trip coil circuit, hence the name the circuit breaker. Tripped for the disconnecting the negative portion of the electrical circuit from the rest of the health circuit. The value of the voltage current which is threshold above the which the relay initiate to be operated. The value of if the value of the operating quality is increased, the electromagnetic effect on the relay coil is increased and above a certain level. Activating quantity, the relay just starts to move. Next one is the instrument transfer. The lines of substation operate very high voltage and carry current thousands of amperes. The measuring instrumentation are protective devices are designed with a low voltage, generally 11 kV and current above 5 amps. Therefore, they will be not work suspected if mounted directly on the power lines. The difficulty is the overcome by types of instrumentation. First one is the current transformer, second one is potential transformer. The current transformer is to measure the current flowing through the circuit. The current transformer is used with the primary winding connected in series with the line carrying current to be measured. The primary winding consists of very few turns and there is no appreciable voltage drops across it. The secondary winding of current transformer has a large number of turns. Here, large number of years turns. The exact number of will be determined by the turns ratio. The ammeter and voltmeter current coils is connected directly across the secondary terminals. Thus, the current transfer operates its secondary winding near under the short circuit condition. One of the terminals of the secondary winding is active. So, to protect the equipment, the current transformer are basically used to take reading of the current. Next one is the potential transformer. The potential transformer to measure the high voltage by use of low range voltmeter or energy ring and potential coils of voltmeter and energy meter. These are also used to energize the relay and other protective equipments. The primary winding of the transformer is connected across the line carrying the voltage to be measured and the voltage circuits are connected across the secondary winding. The potential transformer are employed wherever and whenever the voltage of AC circuit exceeds the voltage of the 750 volts. This is the potential transformer. Next, we are going to distribution transformer. The transformer, distribution transformers are used to step down the the distributed voltage to standard service voltage, known as the distribution transformer. They are kept in the operational all 24 hours. They are designed for good all day efficiency and not for the highest efficiency and the full load. There are self-contained cooler type and are almost variable oil industrial. The distribution transformers are usually 3-phase 4-wire 11 kV by 400 data delta star connected. This is the distribution transformer. This is power transformer. Okay, different types of lighting arresters. The lighting arrestor, such arresters, line arrestor is the device used to electrical power system and telecommunication system to protect the isolators and conductors on the system for damaging the heads, not lighting. But typically, lighting arrestor has high voltage terminals and the ground terminal. Types of lighting arresters: broad gap arrestor, warm gap arresters, multi gap arresters, multi-gap arrestor, exclusion type arresters, wall type arresters, different types of lighting arresters. Also, we are going to capacitor bank. The most common use of capacitor bank for AC power supply Correction is the industrial environments which use the large number of transformers and electric motors. Since the equipment uses inductive load, there are susceptible to phase shifts and power factor lags in the power supply, which can be result in the loss of system. The efficiency, if left uncorrected by the incorporating the capacitor bank in the system, the power lag can be corrected at the chip. This is a capacitor power bank. That's why DC system. DC distributor is needed in substation to provide power supply to control protection equipment situated in the substation in case of outage faults. Generally, DC power is used for a purpose of instead of AC since reaction time to protect the wires is less. Operating a DC supply. This is a single line diagram of 32 by 11 kV substation. This is a specification of 32 by 11 kV substation. Okay, thank you. అయిపోయింది రికార్డ్స్ ఇంకొన్ని ఆగనా ఇంకొన్ని అయిపోయింది స్టాప్ చేశారు